Class, you have made it to the final week. Congratulations and thank you for all your hard work, your dedication. I am very excited to see your final product. I love week 14. I love grading week 14 because I can see what you have crafted over the course of the semester. So it's very fun to be able to walk through these presentations. Week 14 is based around a final presentation. You will submit that to me in one assignment, and the other will be a discussion board where you will post your final presentation and comment on others. You will notice this discussion board is open to the whole class again, sort of like the icebreaker discussion board that we did to start the class. So it will be very large and sometimes difficult to follow in the Canvas format, but it is fun to be able to see everyone's final presentation and not just the ones in your study group. So let's talk through this final presentation, what the requirements are. In essence, you will record a 3-minute screencast that will include video and audio of your business. You should show how your business works, the products or services you offer, and the tools you use to help your business prosper. You can talk about the development of your business, how you came up with the idea, and walk us through your website. The biggest question I get is regarding how or what platform you can use to make this presentation. You'll notice here it says use Zoom or Jing to make your presentation and obtain a URL for your video. If you have another platform, then that is completely fine. You'll notice I use Screencast-O-Matic, and despite the hokey name, it seems to do okay, and I can upload straight to YouTube. Really, the only requirement of this is that you record a screencast like this, so you're not taking a video shot of your computer from an external source. You are actually doing a screencast with software like this. And then you take that file and you post it online. There's got to be a link to an online video. And that's a mistake some people will make with Jing. Jing gives you the option of creating a file on your computer, and sometimes students will upload a path to that file, and when you click on the link, it doesn't work. So it's got to be posted on the internet. If you meet those requirements, that you have created a screencast and it's posted on the internet, you can use any platform you desire. So that is the number one question I'll get for week 14 is, can I use this platform or can I use this product? You can use whatever product you like, as long as it is a screencast and it is available online to everyone. So Zoom and Jing are two very popular products, and you should have access to those free of charge. There's a Jing tutorial here if that's what you'd like to use. This is a 3-minute presentation, so I will stop watching at 3 minutes and I will ask other students to do the same because there are numerous presentations to go through. And so I will ask you to be succinct and walk everyone through your business in a 3-minute video. I know many of you have done a lot of work and have beautiful websites and could go on and on. While we will certainly respect that, please do keep it to 3 minutes. And then you'll have a discussion board, which again is just a traditional discussion board, but with everyone in the class included, so you can see anyone's final presentation that you'd like. So that is it. Thank you again for your time and effort you've put into the course. You've been a wonderful class. You've had great discussions and have developed great products. I really enjoyed the ideas you came up with this semester. It was fun to see your website launch and how that's developed in subsequent projects and assignments. And I'm very excited to see these final products. Thanks everybody, and I hope you have a great end to your semester.